Trinity Oracle. Today we are going to do a reading on what is the future of abortion rights. Will they end gay marriage? Will interracial marriage be the next thing they go against? And also the future of America's mental health system. And also we're going to talk about nurses also. So let's get started. For you guys who don't know us, we are 3 psychic sisters, healers, and life coaches, and students to be teachers. Our courses come out very soon, so go on our website, trinityoracles.com, and sign up to get on our beta list.
Yes. Just a quick announcement really quickly. For those of you who already sent an email, like, hey, you know, sign me up for the beta list, just to let you know, our web developers, something happened and we weren't able to catch your email. So go back to trinityoracles.com, scroll down to the bottom, it says join our email list, join there, so that when we do give out details about how to join our beta class, how to sign up for it, you'll be the first to know and you'll be able to claim your spot, because it is only going to be limited seats for the beta class. Okay?
We're doing.
Limited. It's limited.
It's limited.
It's limited.
Okay.
So
And then when the real one comes out, you can purchase the real one.
Exactly.
Yes.
It's all good.
Alright, before
Before
we start this reading, all of stuff we say in this video is not our opinion,
Nor is it
nor is
fact.
it fact. We're just simply channeling from spirit, and all readings in this reading is for entertainment purposes only. So let's get started.
Okay, right now Roe versus Wade is the controversial thing happening in America. So people want to know, what is the future of abortion rights? Because right now, currently, from what I saw yesterday, they said 11 red states said no abortion in their states. So what is the future of abortion rights?
So we're seeing what? Some of those conservative states will be
But in general, because some one of our family members wrote the future, like, will they change? Will Roe versus Wade go back to how it was?
Okay.
So that's what they want to know, because the government was the one that ran the entire, not just the states. They turned over to the states to decide, you know, the abortion rights. So they want to know if it's going to go back to the government.
Exactly.
And not individual states. And I can't find the video, but we did predict this was going to happen. We just cannot find the video. So if one of our family members saw that video and they can remember, please tell us in the link below.
Yeah.
We were searching.
We've been searching. We just can't remember.
We're the only psychics in the world who stated that the Supreme Court, and this was before it was even brought up in the public.
We just can't find it.
And we predicted, we were like, yeah, the states are, Erica said the states are going, abortion rights are going to be a hot topic, and it's going to be turned over to the states. So, you know what, you guys, let everybody know Trinity Oracles predicted that.
Yeah.
So please send us that video.
Please send that video.
We made so many videos, we don't remember what we just said.
Exactly.
This is what I got. There's not going to be any change in this at the, I guess, federal level or with the Supreme Court justices anytime soon. Anytime soon. But Americans will get a wish, though. A wish will be granted. One of those Supreme Court justice seats will be available soon. So Americans will be like, oh my God. Okay.
Hopefully somebody gets picked.
Hopefully we can get somebody, yes, who is for what we believe in, you know, who is pro-abortion rights. Hopefully we can get in there. So there's going to be a spot opening up soon.
Spirit said it's going to last for a long time. They said it's going to be like years that you're going to see any type of change. They said that they said it's going to be pure chaos from now on, with women protesting to get their rights back. They said it's not going to change anytime soon. I got the same thing you did.
Yeah, I got the same.
Huh.
They said women will be flocking to blue states, or not even blue states, because I don't think all conservative states are
Pro-abortion.
Are anti-abortion. I think there are some conservative states that are actually pro-abortion, but I don't know the details. But they said women will be flocking to states that are pro-abortion. Okay, so yes, I do see that the federal government may get involved. So maybe Joe Biden may be taking this. Not Joe Biden.
Joe Biden.
Joe Biden.
Maybe we need to be on Joe Biden's was he on podcast? Anyways, I think Joe Biden's guys keep saying he is going to step up. He's going to step up. He's already been speaking out against it, but there is like something's coming up. He may intervene in some form or fashion in terms of maybe tweaking some laws. I think they said he may want to make abortion pills readily available in the stores,
Oh.
like CVS, Rite Aid, and stuff like that.
So, like, how
Says
Planned-
that-
so
but
like-
he has to enact it. I think Joe Biden is going to do something. He's going to do something, and women still may not be happy with what he proposes or something of that nature. But he will, like, it's like, this is women, heartache and loss.
He's trying to be flexible with
Yeah.
them,
Yeah.
but he's not giving them. He's not going
He's
to
gonna-
give what they want.
He's gonna try and do. He's gonna do what he can to the best of his abilities, like what he can do.
Spirit is saying they keep saying it's like a travel fee waiver. Like if you go to a different state to get an abortion, you can prove it. You get your travel paid for.
Oh.
They keep saying a travel fee waiver. I guess that's the proper one. That's what they said.
There will be major changes in women's health care because of this. There may be abortion pills readily available at your doctor's office, in clinics, and all sorts of things. So, yeah.
Spirit keeps mentioning you're going to see a lot of, sorry, my mind is crazy right now. A lot of, like commercials for birth control, new stuff coming out. They said a lot of women are gonna go for it because they're like, anything is better than nothing.
They said this is a long, rocky road for women to get their rights back.
Yeah.
They said this is like they said women are going to be shocked how long it takes for things to go back to normal.
Exactly.
So,
Exactly. And
they keep saying years. So if you have a daughter right now, she might not be a teenager until stuff goes back to normal.
Exactly.
Or, how it was before.
Yeah.
Is her name Amy Klobuchar?
I have no clue.
Klobuchar? I think that's her name. She's the new. I think she's the second one. She was brought on under Trump. I think her name is Amy Klobuchar. Let me look up her name.
Was she the secretary or something?
Amy Klobuchar. She's a United States senator.
I wonder if she's gonna make a statement about. Wait, hold on. Let me see the Supreme Court justices because I keep seeing. Hold on. Let me see if I can get that woman's name. What is her name?
Spirit says
Amy Coney Barnett.
Oh.
You will hear her. She may do an interview. She may write a book. She may say something to the press. But she will speak about the threats. She's going to say like this. Her guys are like, she's going to be like, I'm getting so much threats for just doing my job. People are going to be pissed.
Wow.
They're like, how dare you? So it's going to be a lot. They also said a lot of the guides of the Supreme Court justices said that the Supreme Court justices are getting lots of death threats. But I keep wanting to say Amy Klobuchar. I don't know why. Maybe there's a reason I keep getting Amy Klobuchar. But anyways, because Amy Coney Barnett, and I keep thinking Amy Klobuchar because they both have Amy. That's why.
Oh, Amy K.
But yes, Amy will speak out specifically. She's like, I'm getting so many death threats and this, and you guys need to stop. And I feel like I'm fear for my life, my children, stuff like that.
Interesting. Spirit said what's going to become popular. They keep saying backyard abortion.
Ooh.
They said they're going to go back to how women used to have abortions back in the day. And they said it's going to be a big thing on social media. Like girls showing how they did abortions by themselves. They went over like, oh, go to this woman's house. She'll do an abortion for you for $25 or something like that.
Wow.
And they said it's going to be very popular. And they said the government's going to try to stop it, but they'll start using like code words.
You have anything else that you got? This is what also the guides of the Supreme Court justices said. They keep bringing up Clarence Thomas will continue to be a hot topic throughout this. He will continue. Like this is the beginning of a downhill trend for Clarence Thomas. Also, Clarence Thomas may be stepping down or resigning as a Supreme Court justice. They keep saying he may be stepping down soon or resigning. So be on the lookout for that. They keep bringing up. I wonder if Amy
K.
You know what? Amy's going to be making major news too. Not only talking about the threats, but there's something else about Amy that is going to be hitting the news.
They said Joe Biden is going to, I agree, Spirit is showing that. They said Joe Biden is going to say some things to about the Roe versus Wade. But they say he's going to make a whole bunch of broken promises to women. A lot. They'll go, I'm going to overturn this. They're like, Joe, what are you going to do for us? And like nothing happens. Okay. Do you have anything else?
there may be some pro-abortion clinics being burned down.
Oh.
Yes. So
Wow.
yeah, it's gonna be crazy. There's gonna
They
be
keep saying chaos.
These protests are not done.
Yeah, they're not done.
This is not going to go quiet. This is going, like, after a while. This is going to remain a hot topic
for a
long time, and these protests are going to keep going. Like, it isn't like, okay, after a couple months, you know, this hysteria will die down. No, it is not dying anytime soon. I keep seeing a woman putting, like, her clothes on fire, like in protest or something. It's
That's to say it's just pure chaos in the future. That's what Spirit keeps saying.
Yep.
So next question. People now think that because they went after abortion rights, are they going to end gay marriage to everyone? Are they, well, gay marriage is legal for
In all
all
50
50 states,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Or 51, Is it 51 states?
Yeah.
Is it 51
It's
states now?
50. It's 50. I don't think they
They
did
didn't
51
make-
yet.
I thought they did.
Why?
Puerto Rico is a territory.
I guess I have to watch the news more, but anyways. So, anyways. So are they going to be, people think they're going to end gay marriage, is that true? Because people think they're the next victims. Or the next subject, I guess you should say.
Spirit says no. No. That's not going to be their next.
No, it's protected. They keep
Yeah,
I
saying
said
no.
absolutely not. Not going to happen.
Oh, but Amy Barnett, she may bring up about
Oh, shit.
gay rights, gay marriage. I'm sorry. She may bring it up, but she may speak up for gay rights, and the conservatives are going to be like, "Oh,
Yeah,
heck
yeah.
no! You're supposed to represent conservative views. You're supposed to represent the conservative Republican aspect of the party." She may bring up about I wonder if, please forgive us, I have it wrong, but they keep saying something about
Spirit says
like
this
gay rights protected by the Constitution? Oh, gay marriage? I don't know. I keep hearing that, like gay marriage and the Constitution. So
It's like written in stone. Like you cannot.
yeah. So
Spirit said even gay marriage being brought up, they keep saying that was they said it perfect. They said it was
Like propaganda.
distraction propaganda. That's what they call it. They're like, they just put that out there just to make people go to a different subject. They said that, like, oh, abortion, now go to gay marriage, like that, just to change people's mind. And they said it was just, propaganda.
exactly.
Next question. So people are saying that they think that the interracial marriage may be next also. So are they going to go after interracial marriage and say you can't
No.
date interracial?
I don't need to pull a card for that. No.
Yeah, Spirit said the same thing.
That's
Propaganda.
another
Propaganda. Okay, next person. One of our family members said, what is the future of nurses? Because she said that she's a nurse and that they get overworked. So she wants to know, will nurses get paid more ever? And she said that nurses, social workers, counselors, mental health counselors, they barely get paid like enough to survive. So are they going to be getting paid more in the future? They be working.
Because if we're correct, I think not all nurses
Make
get
money.
paid a lot. Like
Certain states
they make a lot of money.
and in other states is like no. So let's see what's
So
happening
nurses
in
get
the
paid more. Spirit said it's going to stay the same. Spirit said if you want to make more money, unfortunately, you have to move out of your state. They said it's as simple as that.
I gotta know.
Potentially, they did. It's going to be an influx of young people becoming nurses. They said it's going to be it already is a hot career, but it's going to be more of a hot career. And traveling nurse is going to be really big. And they said that it goes with the digital nomad lifestyle. They're going to have people who want to just be a nurse, but they want to be a traveling nurse. So it's going to be a hot career in the future.
You know what?
Oh
Oh
no, that's it. No, that's it.
I think Spirit keeps saying there might be a nursing shortage. I think there's already a nursing shortage. But get ready for, they keep saying there's something about may loosen up international policies, and you may see an influx of foreign nurses coming into hospitals to fulfill nurse vacancies.
Wow. Interesting.
They showed a lot of nurses will be taking I'm taking extended vacation. Okay. You know what? I'm done. I'm gonna find a new job. I'm done. So they keep showing that being a hot topic. A lot of foreigners coming in. You know what? I got a contract. I'm gonna go stay in Connecticut for 6 months and then I go back to my country. They keep saying a lot of immigrants. I don't know. They keep saying immigrant visas. Like they may be giving more immigrant visas to people who are like in the medical profession.
Interesting.
Because they keep saying that. They keep saying immigrant visas, medical professions. But yeah, you're going to see it like a lot. But it's going to take a while. It's going to take a while before Americans start noticing the influx of nurses from foreign countries. It hasn't started yet, but well, actually it is already starting. But before, it's like people are like, oh, and then it gets all over social media, and people in other countries are like, oh, in America, you know, you can make this much, and boom, let me try and be an
American nurse.
Yep. And like Erica said, I agree with you. Like influx of travel nurses,
Travel nurses is gonna be huge.
Yep.
But they keep saying the pay increase isn't going to be that much. That's the thing. Unfortunately, it's not. Yeah. And they even said people it's going to be. They said nurses are going to go on strike. Are they part of a union? I think some are. They keep saying they keep showing like nurses protesting for more income, and they say even the ones who get their master's degree in nursing, like they're not even going to get paid that much more. So, which is unfortunate.
Yeah.
Like the Spirit said.
Yeah, nurses are gonna be staying at a standstill for a while, unfortunately. So.
And she said, "Will nurses continue to be overworked? Because I know some of them be working like 18, 20-hour shifts."
Spirit says, unfortunately, yes, they will continue to be overworked. Where they're like,
you know what's interesting though, which is actually good. Spirit said in the future they actually going to go. They keep going back old school. They actually are going to start teaching trades in high school, and they said nursing is going to be one of them. So if you always want to be a nurse since you were a little kid, you can start being like the nursing program like in 10th grade, 11th grade. So you get a heads up.
Wow.
So that's actually really positive. It's really good.
yeah.
So next, one of our family members asked us about the mental health state of America. What will the government and healthcare system do about mental health? Because they said we're in like dire need right now. Mental health is really popular. Is it going to get better or is it going to get worse?
For some reason, Spirit keeps mentioning. I'm going to bring up teachers. So we did a video about teachers. They're going to be in the school district going to be bringing in more people to teach teachers about mental health. Like if you notice your student is, feeling this way, pull them aside and this is how you talk to them. Like don't ignore the warning signs of this.
So it is going to get better.
It's going to get better because Spirit keeps saying it's going to be like more of a group effort. Like everybody should know. If you're going to be with, people you should know.
It's interesting.
This, and this is, but they're going to give resources too. They're not going to be like, here's a piece of paper.
Spirit said it's a double-edged sword with that. Spirit's saying that, yes, they are going to do that, like integrate more mental health counseling at schools and more like talking about mental health freely. But they said the only thing is, though, some of the parents are not going to like their kids and just openly go there without getting the parents' consent. Because Spirit said the kids don't need to have consent from their parents to go talk to a mental health counselor at school. And they said it's going to be a double-edged sword. They said the parents are going to be pissed. Like, what is my child talking about? They're going to be like, we don't have to tell you. And they said that's what's going to be the big issue and a big drama occurring with that.
Yeah, I got temptation, the devil card. This is parents like, heck no. This is the waiting game of lots of students needing help. And then this is balance right here. Like the students being out of balance. This is not students being out of balance. Mental health services not meeting the needs. It's out of balance. So there is going to be more mental health services. I think they're going to be, like the guides keep saying, there's going to be more. It's going to be more of a challenge implementing it in the school. Like it's going to be kind of like a back and forth battle between parents and the school, government and the school. Like it's going to be a lot of that. But the schools will work and the government will, the schools will work more to help with the mental health needs of like the students.
And Spirit
like
keeps
that.
saying because all the stuff that's happening right now with the school system in the world in general, it's the parents, they said it's a trust issue. The parents are like, I don't trust what you're trying to tell my child.
Exactly.
I do not. They said it's all about trust. They don't trust it.
Yeah, like what are you teaching them? What are you telling them? Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
They did show an influx of maybe colleges. Okay, they keep showing colleges. I don't know if major corporations, I wonder if they have, I remember reading a Facebook article, and I could be wrong, not a Facebook article, reading an article about working at Facebook and how they offer them gyms, they give them meditation rooms like their employees. I think.
No, I think they pretty much do have all that.
Like they have people come there, do meditations for them. They have all sorts of stuff. I think it's Facebook. I'm not sure.
I think it might be Google.
Okay.
I know Google has like a lot of stuff for their employees.
They said that colleges, in order to address the mental health concerns of their teachers, of the students, of the faculty in general, they may start following, this is them because this is like broken mental health systems, okay, right here. They may bridge the gap by, and they keep saying following corporate America, like how they take care of their employees. They may make, because they keep saying like the equivalent of like chill rooms, lounge rooms, like
for the colleges, but for the teachers and the students,
like they're gonna, they're gonna be like this is for the students, this is for the faculty, but they keep saying following corporations. I've never worked for corporations, I don't know how it works. So, but if you guys have worked for corporate America or for big corporate companies, let us know if they have stuff like that, or if anybody knows that's at Google or Facebook, because they keep saying they're gonna follow corporate America and how they take care of their employees, but they're going to give it to the students. Because I keep seeing like the students like in rooms, they got like nature sounds playing for them. They can come in here, but it's at major universities. I don't think it's going to be at like junior colleges. Maybe junior colleges follow later, but it's at like major universities are going to start implementing this stuff. Jesus Christ.
But Spirit keeps saying even the mental health counselors, they're even cracking. Like there's so much. I got this card. They're like, yes, they want to help people. It's in their heart to help people. They're like, they're even cracking. They're like, we need help too. So they said like there's going to be like you said, an imbalance of trying to help the kids and then ignoring the teachers' mental health issues. They keep showing a lot of mental health counselors in general, and teachers going to be walking away because they can't take it anymore. They don't want to deal with the kids anymore, the pressure. Not like the curriculum, et cetera, et cetera. They're just going to be leaving.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Oh boy. I'm just seeing something not really good. I'll save that for another. Jesus Christ. America's mental health system is broken. It's broken. And it's going to take some time to fix it. And they show that because of mistakes of previous administrations, they highlight like Biden's administration and future administrations will try and fix the broken mental health care system. They do show that.
It's interesting. Spirit has said they're going to be doing suicide assistance for people. I was like, oh, that's not good.
Yeah, they did say there's going to be an influx of like mental health professionals taking hiatuses from their jobs, like just leaving. Like I can't because they're not getting the support.
Exactly. Okay. They support everybody else except they don't get no support.
Exactly.
That's a lot of, and that's people who are in that career. They know what we're talking about.
Exactly. So
that's okay.
You know, if you guys have any family members that are mental health professionals, you know, give them some extra support.
Pray for them.
Yeah, pray for them.
Cleanse them.
Yes.
Seriously.
Like, hook them up with a recharge session from the Trinity Oracles.
Get them a selenite. Get them some tourmaline to protect their energy. We sell all that in our store.
Exactly.
Get them, you know. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I think that all the questions?
Yes.
Okay.
So, thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe, share it. And until next time, family, thank you. Bye. And if you have any like topics for readings in the future, put in the comment section below. Could we actually read it?
Yes. Oh, by the way, we predicted accurately about Jussie Smollett he went to the BET Awards, and they said he got trolled and trashed, and we predicted about him he's having like a lukewarm reception. Like the public is not in favor of him. So we predicted that, and then also him trying to get back into acting. I don't think it's Ava DuVernay. I think it's someone else, like maybe producing a show or directing a show with him. I don't know.
Wow.
Exactly. So
he made a comeback, but it wasn't that.
You gotta drop quick.
Exactly, because we also predicted he was going to spend little to no time in jail, and we also did say he was going to jail the first time. Then our next prediction, we were like, he's going to do little to no time, and he went in there for 5 hours, right, and was back out.
Oh, wow.
So we are accurate, ladies and gentlemen.
Exactly. Book your reading with us, TrinityOracles.com, and thank you for watching. Bye.